In a world driven by technology and connectivity, the digital market has emerged as a dynamic force, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact. So, welcome to the exciting realm where innovation meets opportunity, where boundaries dissolve, and the possibilities are endless. An example of digital market is Amazon. It's an online marketplace where sellers can list their products and customers can browse and purchase an items.
You've probably shopped online recently for items you needed around the house. It's convenient, the price is right, and it's easy to find what you need. But what about at work? With more and more business customers researching and buying online, how can sellers reach them with a smooth and simple purchasing process? Doing it on your own is complicated. Reaching customers across mobile and digital channels means investing time and money into your own e-commerce site. What about Amazon Business? Hundreds of thousands of organizations are already shopping on Amazon Business, a B2B marketplace offering the same selection, convenience, and value they've come to expect as Amazon customers. It's everything you love about Amazon for business. As an Amazon Business seller, you'll enjoy a full suite of tools to enable B2B e-commerce for your company. Tell your story with enhanced content features tailored to business customer needs. Offer exclusive business pricing and tiered quantity discounts on high-volume purchases. Display diversity credentials and quality certifications to reach customers with specific sourcing requirements. Easily manage and update negotiated prices with customers. And take advantage of Amazon's world-class advertising and fulfillment programs. Increase your visibility and let us do the heavy lifting. Selling to businesses is as easy as listing your products on Amazon. Reach more, sell more. Start selling on Amazon Business today.
Amazon provides a platform for sellers to reach vast customer base, and customer benefits from the convenience of shopping from home, wide product selection, and user reviews. Another example of digital market in Indonesia, such as Shopee.
Shopee believes in the transformative power of technology to change the world for the better. We work together to strive and build the best platform we can to connect buyers and sellers within one community. I joined Shopee as an intern because I knew that I would be given the opportunity to not only create real change in the region through technology, but also unlock my capabilities and mark the start of my career. If you're looking for a place to embark on your career journey, there's no more rewarding place to be than at Shopee.
Shopee.
Tokopedia.
Bayangkan, sebuah mall online terbesar di Indonesia, di mana penjual online dari seluruh Nusantara berkumpul, menawarkan jutaan produk dengan harga yang sangat menarik. Transaksi di Tokopedia lebih aman. Setelah pembeli menerima barang, pembayaran baru akan diteruskan kepada penjual. Tokopedia.com, lebih lengkap, lebih murah, lebih aman.
Tokopedia and Lazada. Several types of marketplace such as business to business, business to consumer, consumers to consumer, consumers to business, business to administrations or consumers to administrations, and online to offline. So guys, have you ever think about weaknesses or strengths of marketplace?
The digital market will make your shopping more practical. It saves your energy and time. Sellers don't need to have a store as a building. And the business will be easy to grow because it takes a wide connectivity. Then the sellers can contact the consumers directly and consumers can ask anything easily. Digital market has a lot of high risk. Like an unreal goods, the quality is different with the advertised. And the price competition between sellers are very tight. not only an easy to access, but also your activity in the digital market is depend on the internet network. You got a bad connection, so you can't continue your shopping.
Hello guys, on your previous video you have learned about digital market. This right, you have learned about digital market modeling. Okay guys, before we discuss for sure, what is digital market modeling? Let's see the explanation.
Alright, so as marketers, we make a lot of really tough decisions, and decisions that have potential anyway for big impact. So how do we go about making these decisions? Well, one useful tool we have are what are called marketing models. Marketing models are just computer-generated estimates of what would happen if we changed this variable or that variable, such as our price or features of our product or how we promote or any aspect of our marketing mix.
So, there's definition about digital market modeling. You need to know about digital market modeling has several characteristics and forms. What are they? Comes on, let's learn. Okay, digital market modeling has several characteristics, namely, first, borderless transaction, 2, anonymous transaction, 3, non-digital and digital transaction, 4, non-material goods products, 5, payment for goods is made transferring money. If you know already two characteristics about digital market modeling, what's our form? Let's see the explanation.
Digital business models. A world virtually for free. Digital markets are very different from regular industrial markets. They consist of sides: men and women, customers and suppliers, customers and advertisers. All these populations are sides for a company to play around with by taking advantage of the externalities they generate among themselves. Menace to industrial society. The incumbent players are threatened by these new digital business models. Long-time product and service suppliers are still playing by old rules. They make a margin on the difference between the price and cost of their offers. They can quickly be overtaken or replaced by companies playing on several sides of the market. Service providers were the first to be hit. Menace to digital society. It may seem like the die has been cast. Everyone seems to get something out of it. But actually, the battles are ongoing. First, between the platforms themselves. The profits generated by these super intermediaries attract competitors, which attack by positioning themselves differently. Dating sites are some of the most hotly challenged. But the sites themselves are also challenging this nice model. They are, or will be, tired of seeing the externalities they've created escape them. On the customer side, freebies can work only for so long. With the commercial exploitation of personal data, customers are becoming increasingly aware of free services, which is opening up new niches for companies that do without this externality. On the supplier side, application developers, freelance consultants, vehicle owners, and residence owners are less and less willing to agree to the extreme conditions imposed by platforms. The benefits derived do not seem to warrant them. On the competitor side, partners are less and less willing to be tied down to a single standard. Take, for example, the attempts of hardware suppliers like Samsung or Sony to free themselves of Android.